ya ba onuma huno oguswada ya nwa dwuma se o man no betime nya mu mfaso Dr. Matthew Poku Premped Nsembi eto Ghana enjuma ye fonso enim mampani dada ye Rajon Remeni mama wono so kasade afa abato krata ye gira so de ato abananim enre ka to ne bro wowura samoku jata bra kwa ne onumunyamfo kojo opon kromantem na ye bebo awuramu so ewo ensem fufuro emua owura Abubakar Sadiq ono so edi ensembi edi ababetum sada na shenkafo a wofro kai ewo boatin krom se wono makwan enye ebi ka ho anopai yede esomo se no nsia bremu kasebo ohini ni ama kranchada zo usof mami premier ni anopai mini opesma kani yenye brena fe kasebo no nsamo akasa yemfa emawo CPP amanyoko enkromese baby ensu atatie ya fe na wonu mobekwa congress no makwa yirube mu frankade ama wonu amanyoko na afiaba to mu so agina bie wom so mu nsane ma ka kire dia ma ye date die ne nso bibia de na kwa mu totin enipa mienu ahura gina ni mu eye nana frimpom asaponkuma nkoma lawyer frimpom ya anochi wonu na e press e beto mu so aba no mahim franka no so beto no regional level wo wi akeka boma me enu de odi nkonim one church na no disemnie
Madam Aswa Kanya Mamami. Say yen mwana ye Shimwa ye sisi. Mia CPP Shimwa ye ne ye ya ne say Yamia Duma 4th of September. Party no be kwa ku Franka 2024 general election. Ye ba ye nipa mienu onu ma pick form so be contest no mo doso. Ba ye wie ye mienu na yaje omo atu se omo nkoye campaign na 4th September yet to back so about no munya so about no BD party. Na from Poma Sapon Kuma, the former national chairman and leader. And I say lawyer and not chief from Pom, or no so any no contest. Near the hope you. Yayan she says, Embratia party, Yakui Nea, Yanamo Mobekai Mama, Yabo, Niabe, Jumadia in
Ura Lord Abanyaga any attaining Kano. Na enwe chain and enough from Pomas upon Kuma or no so original so being Frank Adiama CPP. Watch less said you my Ghana Sabri.
Man seni e konto kwachi yen. Yes I Ghana way and you panum and your mother life so. This is not the Ghana. And yes CPP. Idea why yen and now it's me be. Idea we are. Yes see. The best swap, so man. Yea, young can't say a coupon boy and a boy different. But we are some a boat tie and a idea. A vision and a idea. A nipa dog and all the idea.
And what ye lawyer from Ponya and Nochi on Usuvian Common.
Ghana Libya Batias says voter region, NDC, Omu constituency, or what you call the base, or Omu World Bank, Nashante region, and so the World Bank of MPP, southwestern part of Ghana, no so the constituency World Bank or the base of the CPP. Then you see the CPP coming up. Near a Tosubium NSA, CPP for any presidential candidate, PRA. Or one more to me, because I'm not sick. I'm in Kumetu Mediana say what to me. Upon the day, rather than quite a wire side. Just I'm not intimidate some barber trauma, no matter what's a humanus.
Where your lawyer yaw anochi for to transfer for Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam. And waka says a fan go for fra a bine one who be coswa and what you must say the ben or mine Benjamin Faso or Cassa feature of energy conference I say and crying and no dia to do watch Mr. Shebe America Dora say or Pepe or do a chiripo ensia and you bet to me and I was in prempredi and what you mano secret to me about mine dear so do you go and send any dear and you know Munche Munubesa Bacope. Now she has a channel mu had a Sakasabo in Ade, dear one who I am what you may hear a bit to me about.
Additionally, we must maximize our existing oil and gas resources and avoid stranded asset risk in the future. In Ghana, for example, since crude oil discovery in commercial quantities in 2007, the subsequent production commencing in 2010, we have so far distributed crude oil revenues of approximately $10.6 billion as of today to the allowable designated accounts provided for in the Petroleum Revenue Management Act.
Where Dr. Amin Adam anopano siabremu kasiebo na wo hye Sompa TV so Sompa radio so ayebubu to so ednam framemu edemamu no ohini ba Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe na ekasai wose Ghana adwumayefo mo mani na wo mamu remfi mo kura se bribi atwa mo ye adwuma mfinhia miensa ekowi ase abosumi emiensa pesika ene etua edemamu eno nti mo mani na wo na mo koto aba mo nto aba ma aban a wodwene mo ho no hyehyɛ panso begu akwam aboa masetenama yeye samo ye adwuma mfinhia porepore mienu bosome miensa de ene etua de ma mo de asem itudwa e wodrobonso asante mantemu wo bra wo bonto aton NPP amanyokuo wo mo ne mapa e de ama Ghana de hye gina so e de ato aba
already NPP for by adwuma na nado dam kwakufoado e free president kwakufoado so NPP ayamaga party dia di wa Ghana ha. If I become a party, the other man you say, and the end is for the edit as a just a boy. And Juba MPP about here, and this also the grandwise. After they are going to a true election time, near bad drop also, near big control, bad drop also to a moment, yes, sir. And they drop also for the Obi oti drobo so bia wu party papa hon fa so ba ko free SHS oko nursing training e bana allowance oko teacher training e bana allowance o wi ajuba ye fa na ajuba o wi school ye fa na ajuba ye fa na salary aba ye fa na salary ni aba ye for one na yo e no pay ye ajuba fie mi ensa we tia de boso mi ensa e so NDC for ba aba na ba ye for one na aba ye.
Ohini ba Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe Drobonso enkomoboy bi eni kotie na His Excellency John Dramani mama so na mu e won kramante mu e bontoa e de ho kire Ghana fo na okwa akopie mu won sakina e no de aba betu dwasa afie abato nwoma ya aba ebegina so ato aba no niam bi wo mu a sempanifo anhwa me anya nsiesi a ebetumi de akwa akofa prepreja pa e de aba wo se nche ne bi abato nwoma ne se wa wo kire odin kwana kwahwe se odin wo mu a His Excellency John Dramani mama say ebi mu ko ye no wo mu din ni mu kora ebi mu nso de enso ya transfer wo mu a wo mu ankasa nim se ya transfer wo mu na wo say beto aba na de asomdwe baba ya de abato komisa odi mu akotene enti won hwe na niam bi wo mu a enye won siesie asane ato aba.
Electoral Commission opened the register for people to go and look at inspect their names. I'm sorry to say there's a lot wrong with that register. The EC has to set up so that we don't have any confusion on election day. The EC is an important institution in us having peaceful elections in this country. So if the EC commissioners are listening to me, you better wake up. You're not doing your job properly. A lot of people cannot find their names. Other people's names have been transferred without their knowledge. People have registered for proxy without using their biometric cards. People who have done multiple registration, their names are still on the register.
His Excellency John Dramani mama enayete nenkano nenra ka to ne bro nanka owura okuja to abra kwa no munyamfo kwaje opon kroma fanse yirebi emrache bedwani ene so mo de bomu ni nyina da ene say assurance committee on mrache bedwafie ena no nche krada na kosomo sutade etue ye nam sumi enuanum bia oframantemu wo mo koka adwamu ni senti na yese on munyamfo kwaje opon kroma be pie committee no anim no be cheche ni semu na papa okuja to abra kwa ka ne nsem no wa na kwaje opon kroma koka se Mr. Chairman asa ono kure kan we sakakra nsem no ya woke kanenta sumu na eni okuja tabra kwa bewe we yem committee eni enyasem ketwa enra nsam de wo mo buru bi so pa.
This is not a matter that we reduce to political football, deflection, obfuscation, red herrings, as you are trying to do today. It's been a year. People are living in distress. People are devastated. Fellow citizens, your contractors, after their late arrival, are even behind schedule. You are now looking at some 14-day window to go to the site. Clearly, we are not impressed. when will the first set of houses be ready? And when can we see a change in attitude? When can this committee see your ministry, your government, prioritizing the plight of victims of the VRA spillage?
Chairman, I think we should also move away from this, may I say, posture, where we want to create the impression that some persons care and some persons don't care. You introduced the word sincerity.
Yes.
Into this conversation.
Yes.
If we are being sincere, you have been one of the persons who keeps whipping up this impression that somebody doesn't care. You will recall that when the military on ground was asked to move from one location to another as part of the exercise, you came out saying that the military had been asked to withdraw from the place.
I'm glad that you have introduced that.
Chairman, that was not sincere.
I am glad that you have introduced that matter.
Yes.
What your government did, what the commander-in-chief asked them to do, was rather the insincerity. They were moving out. The commander told me, I was there, the
Chairman,
chief and your former
Chairman,
colleagues.
That is not correct.
We will not have a banter here.
That is not correct.
But for the record.
Ajita kwajo pon kroma kop tuetu nse chairman ase ono kreka no ashoto penejeta na so ni nyina mu no wo musuesu adwena asabire yekọ yenim na onmonyafo Abubakar Sadiki ya wo gina mu enso afano South West se Anthony so abanfa ma ni DC samanyofo munya ya torotwa o na monka no kura nkyere temamufo na no ne beboa ni nyina dra e women's wing ya na wo pa hontoma so wo boatin krom eno de asem no ebetu edwa osi amanyofo ye ba betu abape no mo ne nam ntwuro no ni ntwa ye so montre so ene emronto na wo mo kan sem wa yenim kura enso e de kire se de be ne betu abade ama wo ebraso so obejai
na boati krom ye masiri mu nyina na boati krom na mesre obehwa MPP ba yi ye champuntu a ebi emma boati krom ni na say ye say boati krom for NDC for sabi NDC for power so ya anye boati krom abro ye ma boati krom light danka ye be boati krom kwan ena Ghana forecast say yenkotena enche dadra
enwache Garba Jibrin Mohammed ya onu so constituency organizer de mai ni DC amanyekuo wono so chire mu edibi ka ho hia se ma no be adwumaden akonkoden aboa no madi enkonim
NDC amanyekuo akunya bato senior Ghana Asiatic Opasam na Ghana e basalo 7 le pese ye adwumaden na ye boye manano no mutiri adwumaden na this year Jema 7 mutu oba e ma ye weton zamani mahama
branch chairman Alasa Mahama wo wie nkomo no krakrakra
waye enuma ewa afano sa to asabe bebe ayeti mbodi na omebi na mekọ na nim ko ka chense ona bo wada woma watinku ye hawo ye ba ko ehia ye mpa ena obusa am se de hawo na mo so ko mo ha je na nsem ho atwin kakra maye na sebi ye wo ma me kompanyifo ne kompanyifo a omutimi enkonwirem mika wo so dabi mitimi hwe ma situation we enko so kromo sa ona butuka eba kromo hanom
boatin kromu wada na shenkafo e wo se wonum akwan nye enam so masabere akwakọ ye owuo fidie de ama wonum se de akwan no atwitwa monchemo nka no ehu papa wo mo so ye Ganafo wo mo to aba na de akobere wo mu krokra se na ni bia ben network enya dwuma kronum etimpedifo nhye enye bibi mfa ho
Look when you a fire now so from one paso here. Look and your cry, especially in support here. You twin Faka persona. Yapa it's yes, sir. Yes, sir. I say, one can any far no machina. I'd rather fire war a fine so, and your passing yes, Waha said they soon and no by Waha. A idea. Ihia say yinya pampane de ka efaso
enu eche na de hia wo no bi nso ekire wonum ehawa wo munemu
but network no network mo odi mo hapa ye be kwa na wo be send ya de mo bi a ye odua bi wo a ye gina se a ye de ye fun akototo a etiminya network ufiri ope unya network bi ufo kita o be hwe wie ma furu nwia na ufuru unya network ntama network na ye problem o ha ma ye pa ma ye phone say intimi use phone sa
Arishia won kinka suya no so ofin so north emensi no masantemante mu na etiemu se wo mu kro na dampan ebra susu obenyi ohene finhia aduasani a wo mu hen na na asare kuma eti na nanom ensiedro no ne dadibu ano no nyade a waya amane ne amamre ensuri bi asimu enam so men kinka enso ade hibusua no enso e kasa pa se ne senti amempuntu abowonum emre bi enu aye adwuma e wo kro no mu emabuna te aprankam ene nam kro no mbakire mfa boga bi so enfanya swan enti wo mo sre wo mo nye de obetimi se wo mbenya wo hene
offense to mine new one na wabe obebo odwa na ka kire se kroni si apinie ensuo nto wa ha obi adua dia na ye basa ensase wo ho nyina amanfrafo na ye dey afa ne basa ye de ahogwo na chichiri kromom nanso na me se ohimpon ni krodua mu ntino obi aye na ade basa gata mu nyina yefi ahimfia na yefi obi ene wo kan asema ye tisi enya panyini a wo betimi a kire se munye se ya otu a ye betiam eno ti na hu ye se we de ya asumdwem nene no na ba ha se wo ba behwe amaso ye yi obi na enso so ye de eyi airtime na eji se yesre no wonya ne ntentem ma ye esan se ye si apini ache apini trodo na yinkinka su esie
enu achire wachiame enso edibi etoso wachiame kwaku wiafe ekasa ediwie wonum nkomono mawo
ye ne ya na muntimi ncheche asumugia awo kuraimu ya hemra na dawroma wonsi hene mayai wo hene nkwani ye hia asumugia ene nkabomu de metimi yakana no
puntu ma hakuri kuruno aya babadom de mihuno no kuruno aya babadom ene kuruno eni plot kura bati atu bia asase a mihuno se nipa kuruno de ope ena woye ne nyina no eye de atwe kuruno mpuntu asan bebrebe
Kasiano wasi Liberty Conference baso edame mene dai o Jubilee Park o mahi ya wadu wachi o nyamia kwa wa free food for thought adishye ni wiase nyina samomre na ye the hit o se tworo de ha wo nyina gu krata ba akoso na fa o kanne ba akoka mu gina so abompaye wo soro be kasa ewa ahofadie aye nyame madia oh glory hallelujah OCP Ghana enedi OCP fertilizer edi abrena nanom samonyi bi mfenwu mo no bai so ne nso do so na montumi nton twane konomu na mo so matimi enya mfaso edi awe masetena mu 21st clinic say oko South African tour bomodin se obeye weekends wobra WhatsApp line obefa na no so entumi ehihye yema asante ye boa Benedict onesa for penia osone kasebe skroje ba mbegu wase odimamo koso so Elizabeth na na naire betre fidie no achi wachinchim frumana ama azuka Shadrack won mabojuma MCR hano pay opesma kani ye me ohinini ama kranchada zo so mami premei ni asante mai ajimi atumu ama midifo fro bapa amesa madama se ama mumoniti